You want compassion? Move on. You want fair? Tough shit. Time's wasting. Pick your side, Krista. Aaron, or the bitch I'm gonna kill.
女型の巨人
Hi guys, welcome to Mystery Mantra, and today I'm doing a very excited video in which I'm converting myself into female Titan from Attack of Titan. So here's my inspiration, and it can be your last minute Halloween makeup and it's very easy. So let's get started. I have already done my base makeup in skincare, so let's jump into the main part, the eyes. I'm using this flat brush with red eyeshadow. Now I'm starting creating the boundaries around my eyes using the red shade. Now I'm moving towards my nose. I'm painting and highlighting the sides of my nose with the red eyeshadow, not just the front part. Next, I'm moving up to my forehead and creating those tilted lines, not just inverted, just slant a bit and connecting them to my hairlines, and after highlighting it will give the muscle vibe that we wanted. Now I'm moving towards my cheekbone. I'm following the natural bone line to create those deep marks. Now I'm repeating the same thing on another side of my face too. Now I'm filling the lines that I have created with brown, orange and wine eyeshadow to give the more bloody texture. It makes skins looks more realistic. Now, under the eyes, there are special tighten lines that I need to create it. So for these, I have three options: Swiss Beauty, Maybelline, and Lakme BB Cream. I'm going with the Lakme BB Cream because it has a more thicker texture that I wanted. I'm using the small angular brush. I tried first with the bigger one, but it didn't work out. So slowly I am creating the thin lines under my eyes, layering them and connecting them and filling then the corners that looked empty. And basically I am creating the double eye structure as you see in the Titan, and it's kind of creepy. And of course, I am repeating the same thing on another side of my face. Now it's time for the neck makeup. I am taking the help of my collarbone to guide me where the veins and muscles could appear. Here, I'm drawing the lines just like I did on my face using the red eyeshadow. Once the lines are drawn, I'm filling them in the same way of mix of orange, brown and wine eyeshadow to look more realistic and muscle effect. Let's move towards the collarbone. I'm following the natural bone structure to see where the muscles looks more realistic. Actually, if you draw on your actual muscles now or necklines, it will gives the natural muscle vibe. If I draw it fake, I'm not that much good at makeup, so it's my first time drawing these things. So I'm following the natural structure that I already have. After filling with the red lines, I'm moving towards mixing the colors, more colors. I'm using the wine brown eyeshadow, same I did on my face, and also coloring more on my neck so it looks more realistic and bloody vibe. So now let's do the lip makeup. For the lip makeup, I'm using this brown lipstick. It is the proper deep brown shade that I wanted for this cosplay. And after this, I'm applying the Swiss Beauty lipstick 2 in 1. I'm only applying the lipstick. It also has the gloss, but I only applied the liquid lipstick. It gives the proper nude lip that I wanted with this cosplay, and it's looking so good. I really like it. And now let's move towards the eye makeup. For the eye makeup, I'm using the pen liner. And guys, it's very difficult to apply liner on camera, so I'm so sorry, मैंने off camera जाके किया है ये. And after this, I'm applying the mascara. For mascara, I'm using the Mars one, and it's a very good mascara. I really like it. So I'm applying the mascara on my lashes. It's an optional part, but it's enhance your makeup more good, so I feel like you should do your little bit eye makeup before completing any cosplay. It's very necessary. So I'm applying on upper eyelids and lower eyelids, and now it's done. It's looking very good. I
女型の巨人